So here's the cold start. That's why we haven't done it yet. Bit of hesitation and stuff like that, but it's a really high percentage of ethanol now, so damn, there's a whole bunch of firefighters and stuff out here. I wonder what's going on. But yeah, there's a bit of hesitation and stuff because it's E85, so cold starts are a little bit harder, and there's also no cats, and the car's not tuned for no cats, so it's a given for the start. It sounds mean. And it's also on 10W60, so that takes a little longer to warm up because that's way more, I believe the term is viscous. But yeah, can't complain. And the smell of E85 is wonderful because I'm pretty sure if I was on pump gas with the no cats, it'll smell bad like everybody says, like everybody complains about it. But E85, cold starts and driving, it's fine. You either smell nothing or you smell the corn and it smells great, like it's a sweet smell, so no complaints. You guys, it's a bad angle, but yeah, this car is just, oh my god. I can't even do real tunnel pulls because it's way too fast. So, but yeah, this thing, oh my god. This thing just screams. Sounds so good. Oh my god. Sorry for the angle. I don't have my the lens on it right now because I was already about to hit the tunnel, but oh my god, this car is just a whole different animal now. Like, it just feels so nice and free. And it's raining, so I can't really force it either because this thing will kick all the way out. Like, even in M dynamic mode, it just kicks out. Oh, this car sounds so good. I love it. Got my 2 jugs, and then I'm gonna fill the car up. And it has a filter on it and everything, so that's good. But yeah, 10 gallons of E85 in these jugs, and I'm probably gonna get 2 more, so it's 20, maybe 3, and then I have the car to fill, so I'm good enough for another few days. We're about to get a cold start. Stop by CVS to see if they have phone mounts, and then we're gonna get some exhaust clips. So yeah, there's quite a bit of hesitation when you're in high things of ethanol, but still starts up. So yeah. Damn it, I just dropped a Alright, so I don't like this angle, but this is the best that we're gonna have. So what I'm gonna do is a quick pull up and pull back, like a flyby kind of thing. And then what you guys are going to hear is the sound of the exhaust. So I don't know what the angle is going to be like, but hopefully you guys get a good enough sound and you can see enough. So yeah, I really need to get a phone mount and like a Gorilla Pod thing, but yeah, there's not really much I could do because there's a lot of places that it's just there's really no good place to shoot. I was going to do it in the parking lot, but the gate's blocked, so I can't do that. And then another place I went to, it's blocked, can't go in there. And then there's also still a lot of people driving, a lot of people jogging and doing all that. So like, just like when I was coming back, I was going, and then somebody was driving down the wrong side of the street, so I had to stop, and I couldn't even do a pull coming back. But yeah, that was the best that I could do for now. There's going to be a lot more sound clips, and then there's also going to be more sound clips when I get the modded muffler. I'm going to see what else I could do, probably some more driving clips and all that. But for right now, at least, seeing as though people in Massachusetts are still active in the streets, can't really do too much. Maybe at nighttime I'll probably try that, but for now I'm gonna see what else I could do, because I do still need like a Gorilla Pod thing, like a phone mount and stuff like that, so the phone can get a better angle, because from below, it sounds a lot different than from in front, and then from like at like the roof level, kind of. It's kind of hard to explain, but the sound is different depending on where the recording device is. So yeah, and I also need a mic. I couldn't get a mic, so yeah. Catch you guys in the next clip. I can't do pulls because I'm going too fast. Like, I'm in, I believe here's a 30 or a 35, and I'm not even going to give you guys an estimate as to how fast that was, and I was not pushing the car or doing anything. So, yeah. And I'm granny shifting, not double clutching like I should, even though I still don't even know what that means, but, yeah. This car is just, and to think I'm going to be supercharging this, like, oh my god, I'm really going to be supercharging this car, and it's going to be that much more insane. And like, there really is no place to drive a car like this around here, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I just love it. So yeah, you guys could just drive around with me for a little while. Let me pause it until the light's green. Like, I really cannot say the speed that I was going. Let's just say it was within the speed limit, but like, damn. This car is quick. Oh man, look at that X5. Oh, la la. Oh, that's an X6. Damn, they made the X6s big. Sheesh, that thing looks good as a bitch. Maybe a Stady somewhere over here. Yeah, I just saw a state police officer. I'm not sure where he went, but I'm pretty sure he's somewhere over here because I was making quite a bit of noise. Which is why I moved location so quickly from the last spot. But, like, oh my god, I'm really going at a decent rate of speed, and yeah. Oh, there he is. Turn the other way. Skyline was great, but it was nothing like this. Like, the Skyline is absolutely nothing like this car. Damn. But I think that's it for now, because there really isn't anything I can do. Like, I tried to get a mount, I tried to get a mic, I tried to get everything that I needed to make these videos, but I really just can't do it because there's nothing open. Like Best Buy, they have like a social distancing thing, blah blah blah. You can't even go in the store. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.